inflated it in minutes. Me and my little children could go on it at the same time. Yes, of course they wore life vests, because this is one of the sturdiest, most heavy-duty, awesome paddle boards I've ever seen. And for the very first time here at QVC, yes, we are presenting a boat. Yes, oh boy, it is. A paddleboard is just that. They're so big, so comfortable, so easy to use. You can sit on them and have lunch in the middle of the lake, the river. Hey, there's Keith.
There's me.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for a year to bring this to you. It had to be the right price, it had to be free shipping and handling, and it had to be the right one, because I want you to be able to use it and enjoy it. And there are a lot of barriers to picking up a paddleboard, which I talk about paddleboarding all the time. It's one of the best forms of exercise. It's my zen moment. There's a lot of barriers. Storage is a problem, not with this one, because it turns into a backpack.
That's right.
Price is a problem, not this one. I'm telling you, my first paddleboard was $2,000. My first paddleboard was $2,000. This is $434.64, and it's on 6 easy payments, and it's free shipping and handling and transporting it. All my other paddleboards, I have to strap on to the car. And there are also a lot heavier. I mean, Keith's a
20 pounds.
Nice big man. This is super
20
lightweight.
pounds. Is that incredible?
But it's super light. Does it have the fin on it? It doesn't.
Yep.
Super lightweight, but my friends,
This is key.
so sturdy. I mean, this is like an aircraft carrier when you get on it. So if you're doing yoga or you have others on it, this is so good. It took us a year. We don't have a whole lot of these. 6 easy payments and free shipping and handling. Tell me about it. I mean, I know about
Is there
it.
anything
Tell
else to
them about
say?
it.
That was awesome.
It comes with everything.
It does. It comes with everything. So what you were talking about, it comes with a backpack. So that gigantic 10-foot by 10-foot paddleboard goes right in this backpack. So you can just throw it on your back. And you mentioned the barrier to entry into paddleboarding, right? Well, that's key, because normally a lot of people won't have somewhere to store a giant paddleboard like this. They won't have a way to get it to where they're going, because they may not have the roof racks. But with this one, comes in this carry bag. That's it. It weighs 20 pounds. So even if you're someone that just goes to the beach for a week out of the year, you can throw this into the back of the car. Your kids can use it. Your husband can use it. You can use it. I've used it a number of different times, and I've ridden those $1,000 and $2,000 paddleboards. And what Aquamarina tries to do, what they've strived to do, is make great aquatic equipment, sporting goods equipment, for the everyday person to use, so that you don't have to spend that crazy amount of money. And there's so many key features to this. I'm going to lay this one down. But what we've done is this is double wall stitched, right? And so there's a core inside of here. So when you step on that, it's
or
key.
kneel, and let me tell you,
it doesn't move.
You can get a fantastic exercise just by kneeling on this too. You don't have to stand up. It's a great core workout.
For sure.
And then I'll often kneel and go like upriver or up the lake, and then I'll just kind of sit back. Kick back, and then just kind of come on back down like this, because it's so relaxing. This is great for Father's Day. It's great for graduation gifts. It's great. Listen, I don't know how long we're going to have this. It took me a year to get this puppy on board, so I can't promise we're going to have this. We did around the holidays. At 6 easy payments and free shipping and handling. Do not wait on it. In fact, real quick before you go through the rest, this is me on it. On my Facebook page, I did a little collage, because I used this all summer. So there's me, my kids, there's the backpack part of it.
That I was.
Same spot as you. It's the big lake here. There's me pumping it up, which was super simple. And I actually liked the pump up process. It was just a few minutes because it was part of my exercise.
It certainly is. And the other couple of other really neat features, you see the black on top of that? This is an EVA foam. And so normally with a surfboard or a paddleboard, you have to wax it. You have to take really good care of this. This is a sticky type surface for your feet. So it goes across the entire top. It's
so you
really
stay put.
simple. So you're going to stay, when it gets wet, it gets nice and sticky. We have the D-rings up top, and the bungee cord comes with it. So a lot of people love to use their paddleboards for more than just exercise. They'll go up the river. They'll strap a cooler on it. They put lunch in. They sit out with the kids. So now you have the bungee cord for that.
That's why I said it is a boat, because you can't. I've had surfboards. I'm a surfer as well. You can't do that with surfboards. They're unstable. You always have to be straddling them.
For sure.
With these, you can sit on them. I can put me and my child on, and two of my little girls. I'm not taking Ben yet. It'll get there. And we can just kind of relax, you know? Or, I mean, a lake, a river, a pond. Do yoga on it.
That's right.
Just
We
stay
see so many people do it. It is one of the fastest growing sports right now. People are loving it because you get out. Now you don't have to worry about putting it on top. Took it right out of the trunk. You could put it in the trunk of a car. Comes with a fin for the back. I'll show you how to install that. Comes with the pump. The pump is a higher pressure pump, so we can literally pump this up in 3.5 minutes.
Yeah, it's so simple.
10 minutes from the time you take it out of your car,
Grace
you're
did.
in
My
the
daughter
water.
did it.
That's awesome.
And you're right. When we bought my first paddleboard, I had to buy roof racks to put on the car, and I'm addicted to the sport. I think it's great, so it was worth it. But this is so much easier. That you're seeing the paddle there too. Paddle comes with it. Paddle collapses.
That's right. And this paddle is only available here at QVC with the board. Normally doesn't come with it. But we were like, how could you go paddleboarding without a paddle?
Right,
but that's me. That's November. That's in November.
But see, you don't have to fall in the water.
That's right. So we never got wet. We put a little GoPro on the front of it. But like you said, the paddle is adjustable. So if you're 5 foot or if you're 6'3", the paddle is going to work for you. The board's 10 foot 10 inches long and also 6 inches thick. And that's what's key when you were standing up jumping on it. You don't see it flex. Normally when you think of inflatable, you think of something that's going to flex. But you and I can both get on here. It'll hold 210 pounds. That's what we recommend it for. But it doesn't flex. You don't even see the board moving when you step on it.
It is. It's like hard as a rock. And that was my concern when we said, let's bring a paddleboard to QVC. I said yes, but I'm not sure how I feel with the inflatable kind until I started using this one. And I'm like, oh my goodness, this is just as good in terms of the superiority of the firmness in it as all the rest of them.
And listen, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say, I'm not going to tell everybody that paddleboarding is a sport for you, but I think there's probably somebody in your life who you know has been wanting this. This is a better price. This is 6 easy payments. It's the easiest way to do it. And you've got a 30-day love it or return it guarantee. Most sporting goods, you don't get that kind of return policy. This is how summer just got fun.
Oh, it is so cool. It's aerodynamically designed, so it's simple and easy to use. That was the setup. And then,
that was easy.
That was easy. And then I'm going to turn it over one more time because this is where the air goes in. And even the valve where the air goes in is really neat. I'm going to step right over here. I'll step in front of you.
Not a whole lot of these to go around. Please be quick because we have very, very few of these, and that 6 easy payments the first time you're seeing it.
So here's that pump. It has a pressure gauge on the top. You want to inflate it between 10 and 15 pounds of pressure, so it'll tell you. And all you do is you pop it in. Now, the air valve stays closed while you're doing it, and then when you're ready to let the air out, you simply push down, and it lets the air out at a rapid rate.
I say to my daughters, okay, loud noise as the air comes
at a
down,
rapid rate,
and it goes down in seconds.
And then you put it back in the bag, you put it in the trunk of the car, and you're ready to go again.
Comes with everything you see here. It comes as a backpack. It's a backpack. It comes with the paddle. It comes with the pump. It comes with a little repair kit if you're going to need it, and it also comes with the fin. You're watching history right here. Very first time we're having a paddleboard on QVC. I'm so excited. Get it for Dad. Get it for the grad. Get it for you because you're going to have a blast. Not a lot of these to go around and very popular. QVC.com is the place to go. Let me tell you, if you are brand new to QVC and you're seeing this going, I need this. This is a great price and a great quality board. $5 off your very first purchase. It could be this, it could be the today's special value, it can be anything. It could be food, some croissants, that sounds good right now, or crab. $5 off your very first purchase at QVC if you use the promo code 5FOR-YOU. Keith, thank you.
Thanks, Kirsten.
All right, come on. I had a paddleboard. Dan.
You did. Well, guess what I got?
What do you got?
I got a big watering garden, a self-watering raised garden that's going to let you grow your veggies and your herbs, and you don't have to have any kind of a green thumb, Kirsten. You can have a brown thumb because this does it all automatically. You can't mess up. With the Bernini self-watering raised garden planter with the fountain, M52307, $179.76 is your feature price. We're going to break it up into 5 easy payments of $35.95. It's brand new today. So cool, and you don't need any tools to assemble. It's very easy to assemble. And you know Bernini fountains. You know that they came up with that rechargeable battery. Well, the battery in this will last a whole season on one charge, right?
That's correct.
John Yiser is the inventor of so many of these great products with Bernini, but a look at this garden. Your garden's going to take off, whether you're growing tomatoes or veggies or whatever. We're going to show you some. But let's go over and look at it without the plants. This is an entire system that you've developed, right?
It is. It's a complete self-watering system. So not only do you get the raised garden bed so that you don't have to bend over when you're working your garden.
Oh yeah, you're right here at waist
Exactly.
height.
But you don't have to do anything. You literally put water in it once every 2 weeks. It takes care of everything you need to do because it has this built-in self-watering fountain.
You get this fountain. You also get these decorative rocks here. Beautiful. Now, where does the water go?
So basically what's going to happen is that as the fountain turns on, this is where your soil is going to go, right over here. And what happens is that when the fountain turns on, it's actually watering the plant from the bottom up. Now,